There is a cup and handle setup in the crude oil, and in the past tutorial in 2024, we discussed this setup in the silver. Then it was at 31 US dollars, and it has performed well. So is the gold, a cup and handle setup we discussed in 2023, and it has also performed well. And recently, in our corporate tutorial, we discussed about the cup and handle setup, and it is beginning to take shape. And let's wait for it to come. And today I'm going to do things a little different. I'm going to bring you to understand the different stages of the cup and handle setup. Its behavior science behind its ultimate, the potential breakout. This analysis is based on technical studies and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult your licensed broker before investing. Since 2008 financial crisis, crude oil has been testing this new benchmark of at around 100 US dollars. And this is what I call the pivot level of the cup and handle setup. And we could see that in 2008 crisis, it attempted to go above 100 US dollars, but within a quarter, it failed. Then, numerous occasions, he attempted to break above 100 US dollars, but it failed. We could see it here. Could see it here. It tested again. Then it failed. Then in 2022, the Russia-Ukraine war crisis, it attempted to break above 100 US dollars, and it failed again. So let's move into the saucer stage. The price demonstrated to us that it was testing around 100 US dollars during this whole period for more than a decade. But it also shows us that its stability of accumulation within this range, supported at above 20 US dollars and 40 US dollars. And this support is a new support range from the 70 to 80 range. As we could see here, is between maybe about 10 to 20. But as we cross over to this 2008 era and even after today, we could see it moving up by level and stages. And even the COVID-19 storage crisis, the crude oil price went into negative, below par, but it just took few days to go back up above 20 US dollars, and it started accomplishing the right side of the cup and handle formation. So at this saucer stage, we can see support, consolidation, accumulation by investors. And the investors know its true value and its support level. And the market is making way for the next stage, the handle stage. And the handle stage, it is a preparation for the breakout. In this stage, we can see a much more controlled consolidation within a much shorter duration. Also, we can also see a higher base price, this time at around 60 US dollars from this 20 to 40 US dollars base price. These are the typical characteristic of the handle stage. And the key to look out for is when the momentum build up. It can be before or after this pivot level. And we can see that for the silver, the momentum build up, it was after the pivot level. And for the gold, it was a piercing. It pierced through the pivot level. And after that, the gold went into this breakout stage. And as for the crude, it seems that the momentum build up already happened. That was before this pivot level. And my interpretation of the handle is the shaking out of the weak hands. That those investors that were long for the longest time, they finally gave up on their plan. They could be running out of patience, or maybe they got distracted by what is happening right now and they need cash to redeem on other of their investment. So this is what I'll be looking out for in the coming weekly, monthly, or quarterly chart, or even the daily chart. If any of these time frame close above 100 US dollars, technically we should be seeing crude oil entering into its breakout stage, the formal behavior. And as usual, on such a major shift to come, or maybe already happening, I would always like to see if the fundamentals align with my technical viewpoint. With the crisis and uncertainty of the Strait of Hormuz and the rebuilding of the refinery plant in the Middle East may take years. So, what do you think? Do you think that the breakout stage will come like a thief or maybe already happened? My name is Kon Hao. I enjoy studying how different markets currently behave to uncover emerging trends, the potential trending markets of tomorrow. Feel free to leave any comments below. I love to exchange ideas with you on what is about to come. Really happy that stay through this tutorial. You have many great trading weeks ahead.